What's up guys, welcome back. Today guys, I want to show you how to download and install EasyAntiCheat on your PC. Fix EasyAntiCheat for Fortnite. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. Also support my guys' work in Fortnite item shop. Just use UFO187 in Fortnite item shop. Support your favorite creator. Okay guys, after you download and install Fortnite like me on Epic Games, to fix and install EasyAntiCheat, just go on these vertical dots, click on it, and you will see here manage. Open it. Go on this icon like folder, click on it, and you will see Fortnite game. Open this. Move here to binaries, move here Win64, and you will see EasyAntiCheat folder. Open it. Scroll here down to EasyAntiCheat EOS setup. This is installation for EasyAntiCheat. If you have any trouble and problem with EasyAntiCheat, to fix EasyAntiCheat for Fortnite, just launch this. If you see this fast window like blink, that means you have EasyAntiCheat installed on your system. If you don't have, you will see like square repair service, just like this in my older video. After you repair EasyAntiCheat and after you fix it for Fortnite, you can close this and restart your PC. After you restart your PC, just open Epic Games again and move to Fortnite and try now to launch game. If you still can open it, I show you second way to fix and repair EasyAntiCheat for your system. Just do the same, open three dots, move here manage, go on this folder, Fortnite game, binaries, open Win64, EasyAntiCheat, and do run as administrator. Go yes. And also if you have this blink message like me, that means you have EasyAntiCheat installed. If not, you will see square and you will see message repair service. I leave you old video in description of video. After you do that, go one more time three dots, go here manage, and you will see here verify files. Click on it. It can also help to fix EasyAntiCheat and fix Fortnite game. Just wait this for verifying. After you verify your Fortnite game like me, try now to open game. If your game still don't work, I show you last part. Press Windows button and save this. C program EasyAntiCheat. This is official folder, open it. And you will see also installation for EasyAntiCheat. And also this is built-in and repair service. Just open this. If you also see I have this blink message, that means I have EasyAntiCheat on my system. And that's it all guys for this video. How to download and install EasyAntiCheat on your PC. Fix EasyAntiCheat in Fortnite. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video.